hologram display systems, game designing, augmented reality, gesture technologies, and basic to high-end virtual reality. Welding design thinking methodologies with technological innovations, we are committed to creating value for our clients in diverse industries. We find ourselves to be in a unique position to create awareness about these technologies among students, professionals, and enterprises. One question that we get asked very frequently from the architectural and real estate fraternity is, what is virtual reality? And how can we use virtual reality in our business? Virtual reality is very easy to understand because it simulates our real reality. All you have to do is put on a VR head-mounted display. VR completely replaces the world around you and can put you inside 360-degree videos or even an intractable computer-generated environment. Virtual reality provides architects with a game-changing opportunity that they have never had before. We enable them to enter their own architectural designs in real-world scale without the time and cost of actual construction. In virtual reality, architects can understand depth in a more natural way than through two-dimensional photographs. We have created a tool that allows them to measure, plan, and edit their designs from within VR. They can also teleport anywhere in the entire 3D model, simply from the click of a button. For one of our valued clients, Mahindra Life Spaces, we have created a 3D replica of their 9-acre township along with all the apartments so that their customers can arrive at a purchase decision faster for a property that has not yet been constructed. All the apartments were developed in real-world scale with accurate measurements from their CAD files. We have been very careful in creating the exact finish of different fabrics, steel, wood, and other materials so that we can get as close to real life as possible. We have used advanced lighting techniques to simulate real sunlight and create hyper-realistic reflections. Our objective is for the virtual reality experience to bring the user as close to a real experience as possible. Sometimes a user feels so immersed that they try to interact with the virtual environment, and for that we have gone the extra mile to create intractable VR environments. We have also created a home customization option for advanced users who want to experiment with different colors, styles, and decor options. Real